Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're diving into one of the most versatile and thrilling dual sport machines on the market, the new 2026 KTM 690 Enduro R. Known for blending raw off-road power with street-ready precision, this bike has earned a legendary status among adventure riders. The 2026 model takes that legacy even further with refined engineering, improved electronics, and bolder styling. Let's explore what makes the new 690 Enduro R more capable and exciting than ever before. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 KTM 690 Enduro R maintains its aggressive, rally-inspired design but now sports sharper lines and fresh color schemes inspired by KTM's racing DNA. The bodywork is slimmer and more ergonomic, allowing greater control when standing on the pegs. The LED headlight setup has been restyled for better visibility, and new graphics add a premium yet rugged look. It's a design that's both functional and fierce, perfect for riders who demand performance with attitude. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the 2026 Enduro R retains its powerful 693 cubic centimeters single-cylinder LC4 engine, renowned for its punchy torque and lightweight efficiency. However, KTM has fine-tuned the throttle response and ride-by-wire system for smoother power delivery on and off the road. The 6-speed gearbox with a quickshifter plus offers seamless transitions, while the updated WP Sploor suspension provides unmatched handling across any terrain. The result? A bike that dominates rocky trails and open highways with equal confidence. Safety and technology. KTM steps up its tech game in 2026 with refined rider aids and smarter electronics. The bike now features enhanced traction control, cornering ABS, and two optimized ride modes, street and off-road, tailored for diverse conditions. The new TFT display offers clearer visibility and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing riders to sync navigation and performance data on the go. Improved fuel mapping and stability systems ensure better control even in challenging environments. Conclusion. The 2026 KTM 690 Enduro R is a masterclass in dual sport design, powerful, lightweight, and built to conquer anything from dirt trails to asphalt roads. KTM has taken a proven formula and sharpened every edge, making it one of the most complete adventure machines for serious riders. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more detailed reviews, comparisons, and first impressions from the world of two-wheel innovation.